Hey everybody, I'm in Fort Smith today, and I'm over here at the main shopping mall, JCPenney and Dillard's, and I have a feeling this is going to be a dead mall here pretty soon. It's a very, very light crowd in here, and I've come here several years ago, but I just wanted to kind of document it, because I think it's not going to be around for much longer. All right. So here we are in the mall. Yeah, I just have a feeling a couple of years this is going to be gone. This is what is it? End of October 2024. I always wonder whatever happened to these malls. I mean, they were so popular when I was a kid. I mean, in the 70s, 80s, 90s, I mean, people lived at these malls. There's a vintage stock where they have old DVDs and stuff. Kind of hard to believe anybody buys that anymore. Not this. Definitely little by little, stuff's closing down one by one. Place selling scooters. Check out these cool scooters. Fort Smith ATV. The super cheap Chinese scooters. I wouldn't mind having one of these, to be honest. I really wouldn't. Looks like a lot of fun. One by one, they're going away. What do you think this was? I'm guessing it was a Champ Sports, but I could be wrong. I think these malls are destined for basically fitness centers like this and storage units, basically. We have a market research company, some video games, American Eagle. I'm gonna go upstairs and see if I can find anything upstairs to take a look at. And they have a tornado shelter area. That's nice. That's always good. Let's see what we can find upstairs here. I mean, it's just, I hate to say it. I wish this place the best of luck, but I think it's doomed to failure. Okay. No, says no business to be conducted up here other than a law firm. There's one law firm office up here. That's all. All right. I guess that's that. What's interesting is this, there's this area here. This is a soft top. This maybe it was glass at one point, but it's a cloth top now. That doesn't seem like it's a very long-term solution. Yep. We're here at the Cryptic Arcade. Not a lot going on over here. Still get alterations done. I guess that's a business that never really goes away. Check out that old school sign. There's spots where you can see water starts coming through the roof. There's a few spots of water damage around. That's always a bad sign because that only gets worse if they don't fix it. Alright, I am ending my trip here. This concludes my little journey through this soon-to-be extinct mall. I'm finishing up here in JCPenney. Anyway, hope you enjoyed.